Welcome to the Xpediter TSO Recording Program Execution module. Here you will learn how the Xpediter TSO monitor facility may be used to record all activities during program execution for subsequent review, examination, and analysis. Consider this situation. Your testing requires that you maintain numerous variables in the keep window for continuous observation. You also must note the values of several variables during program execution so you know what the values were at certain times. Capturing and printing screenshots is not an option. That's enough to give anyone a headache. There is a remedy. Use the monitor. Let's find out how the monitor works. The Xpediter monitor facility allows the user to record program processing activities such as reading records, changing the values of program variables, and logic path followed during program execution. When testing with Xpediter, the monitor is always available but not enabled. To enable the monitor, use the monitor primary command. This readies the buffer to be used by the monitor. Using the Go command signals the monitor to begin recording and storing all requested items in the buffer. At an appropriate point, such as an append, a reverse primary command is issued. This notifies the monitor of an impending read from the buffer. A subsequent Go command begins recalling buffer entries in reverse order. The current execution line pointer will move backwards as directed by the Go command. In other words, Go 1 moves it back one statement. Go moves it back to a breakpoint, and so forth. Another reverse command will change the direction to forward. The Go and reverse commands may be used repeatedly as necessary to review what occurred during previous program processing. Finally, the Resume command may be issued at any point in time to return to the true execution point. We will look at an example. We begin by launching a testing session. Knowing that a problem will occur, we have kept 3 variables prior to running the program. Next, we enable the monitor. The All parameter requests that processing be recorded for all programs and called programs in the execution path. The note at the top of the screen indicates that the monitor has been enabled. We now enter a Go command, which results in a program append at line 403. A quick look at the values in the keep window reveals that the append occurred while processing the 4th record. Let's find out when this occurred. For this example, the program view has been adjusted so that the current paragraph is visible. The current execution pointer remains on line 403. Next, we enter the reverse command, abbreviated as REV. The direction indicator is displayed above the code. Noting the current execution pointer on line 403, we enter a Go 1 command. The current execution pointer has moved backward to line 398. Entering another Go 1 command, we see that the current execution pointer has moved backward a bit more to line 397. Rather than stepping through the code line by line, we establish a conditional breakpoint when the variable changes in value. Recall that the word changes is optional. We then issue another Go command. We hit a breakpoint at the read statement. Now we are on the 3rd record. Remember, with the current execution pointer, when going forward, it indicates the next line to be executed. When going backward, it indicates the last line executed. The situation here suggests that the program variable in question acquires its value from a read statement. No further analysis is done here because the focus is on using the monitor. We continue by again using the reverse primary command. The direction indicator changes to forward. The reverse and go commands may be used repeatedly as needed to complete the necessary analysis. At that point, the resume command will exit from the monitor and return the user to the current execution position in the program. The delete monitor command will stop the monitor recording feature, but will not delete the contents of the monitor buffer. When issued, a confirmation message will appear. Let's look at a few additional points concerning monitor use. The peek and keep commands are available to examine the values of program variables at all execution points. The execution path is fixed based on the recorded path. The skip and go to commands may not be used. Current record pointers remain unchanged by going in reverse. You are not rolling back or unreading any files. The default buffer size for the monitor is 1 meg. Data will be overwritten when full. The set rev size command may be used to change the buffer size. This concludes this module. Thank you.